Alright, Brad, this video is for you. I got your little bite size going. I believe the only thing was it was on the wrong channel map, and then I had to rebind it. I don't remember what receiver is in here, but it's definitely a D8. I just cannot remember, and I don't want to take it apart till a C. But yeah, I bound it back up in D8 mode, and it's good to go now. It has telemetry and everything, so I'm trying to think what receiver it was, but anyway, your radio, so you know, it had those two broken switches, so I moved arm to this switch right here. Oh, that's a little loose. There we go. So down, all the way down is arm, and then up is disarm. And then I took it apart and got that rattle out, so now it doesn't rattle. It's on the one called Tiny Byte, number 7. So we'll plug in a battery, and you'll see right away too that you get the bars, so you know it has telemetry, and that's your RSSI. And then I'll arm it. There we go. There's your video. There's a little metal piece that came out of your radio. See, that could have just went right on the circuit board and shorted something out and just fried your radio. Okay. Ooh, a little bit high P gain. Let me see if I can tune that real quick in the OSD. Alright, so we'll go to profile, we'll go down to PID. Oh yeah, P for roll is pretty high, so we'll go down. And then P for pitch is even higher, dang. So we'll go way down on that. Alright, let's try this again. Yeah, you could just hear it in the motors, you know. Okay, here we go. Oh, much better. Dang, this thing's got some power, man. Holy crap. I'm not used to your radio, and it's like the throttle is a little sticky. It's a little bit stiff. But damn, that thing's got some power. I don't know why Maximus would stop selling this frame, because it's so awesome. You know, 0803s with these 48mm props is just awesome on 2S. This thing is badass, and it's so light too, just so light, you know. I mean, a crash isn't gonna do anything. Awesome.